What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to avoid plagiarism with ChatGPT. As AI tools like ChatGPT becomes increasingly prevalent in content creation, it is crucial to understand how to use them effectively while avoiding plagiarism. By following a few key strategies, you can harness the power of AI to enhance your writing process while maintaining the originality and integrity of your work. Understanding plagiarism. Educating yourself about the basics of plagiarism is the first step in avoiding it when using ChatGPT or any other AI tool. Plagiarism encompasses direct copying, paraphrasing without attribution, and other forms of intellectual theft. It is crucial to understand these concepts to ensure that your work remains original and properly credited. Use ChatGPT as a writing aid. When utilizing ChatGPT, it is essential to view the tool as a writing aid that can enhance your critical thinking and creativity. Incorporate your unique perspective, voice, and analysis into the content generated by the AI to ensure that your work remains authentic and original. Cite and attribute sources. Whenever you use external information in your work, be sure to cite and attribute the sources correctly. This acknowledges the original authors and helps prevent unintentional plagiarism. Proper citation and attribution practices are crucial when working with AI-generated content. Verify and cross-check information. It is important to double-check the accuracy and reliability of the data generated by ChatGPT by consulting reputable sources independently. This ensures that the information you are using is credible and helps maintain the integrity of your work. Create unique content. Encourage uniqueness in ChatGPT responses by understanding the user's inquiries, avoiding direct replication, and continuously refining the responses to make them authentic and engaging. This approach helps to prevent plagiarism and ensures that your work stands out. Avoid common plagiarism pitfalls. Be cautious of over-relying on external content, ensure complete citations, understand paraphrasing correctly, and use quotation marks when necessary to prevent unintentional plagiarism. By being mindful of these common pitfalls, you can effectively navigate the use of ChatGPT and other AI tools while maintaining the originality of your work. By incorporating these strategies into your writing process, you can confidently utilize AI tools like ChatGPT while ensuring that your work remains authentic, original, and properly credited. Remember, the key is to view AI as an aid in enhancing your creativity and critical thinking, not as a replacement of your own unique voice and perspective. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.